तो हेलो दोस्तों, जैसे कि वीडियो का टाइटल देख के आप समझ गए होंगे कि आज हम एक न्यू फोटोकॉपियर मशीन की लॉन्च पर जाने वाले हैं। तो चलिए आपको लेके चलते हैं और पूरा इवेंट दिखाते हैं। तो हम यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं स्पेस हाईटेक टावर पर और यहीं पे इवेंट है। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। यहीं पर टावर बी में हमें जाना है और बताया वो उस तरफ पीछे की साइड है, वहाँ पर ही नया लॉन्च इवेंट है। तो ये स्पेस हाईटेक का टावर सी, पीछे देखेंगे तो टावर ए। तो आज जो मशीन लॉन्च होने वाली है वो है HP की, और HP जैसे आप जानते हैं काफ़ी फेमस कंपनी है। बस थोड़ी देर में इवेंट शुरू। सो द इवेंट हैज स्टार्टेड एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग इन। मशीन तो यही है।
Hi, good morning. My name is Sudhir and I am MD of E-Office Solutions. We are a distributor of HP printing machines in Haryana for commercial business. And today we have got a very new product launch of HP, which is a revolution in the market in the color printing. So today we have a new machine, which is HP MFP E77428. So this is a model which HP has launched recently. It is in 22 ppm speed also and 28 ppm speed, the print per minute control speed. The machine feature is that it has an ADF, it has an automatic document feeder, it has a 2 trays, it has a network, and it has a duplex printing also. When you on the machine, it has a facility that it can go through the access card also. We can install an access card also in it, so that anybody can print on this who has an access card. It's a permission, it's a security, because it's a high secure machine, it has security, you can permit it. So this machine has a quality like this. So for office and jobbers for A4 printing, this machine is good. And the print cost is very low. This machine has toner yellow, magenta, cyan and black. This is a 4 machine toner which every color machine has, and its print cost is approximately 2 rupees per A4, below the 2/4, depend upon the covered area. And this machine, the mono black cost is very low. It's around, you can print 30 paisa per copy is the black cost. So it is a color on demand. You can print black and white as well as color also whenever you want a color. So this machine is good for the offices. This machine has a feature of HP ROM that anywhere in India, if you want to print, you are coming from outside, looking at US, America, and you are coming to India, and you want to print a document. So it can print. You are coming to India. You can identify the machine by this app HP ROM. This is the HP ROM feature, where you can find a printer anywhere across your nearby location, so that you can print. You have a print in your mobile and you want to print, you don't find any photocopier machine. The photostat person who installs this machine, the customer can easily find the printer in nearby location and go to him and print his important document. So this will save his time and everything. So that is one feature which we have installed. This is a new feature in across OEM in the country. No other OEM has this facility, HP ROM. And the printing cost is very low, so no need to buy a black and white. Better to buy this machine. It will print black and white as well as color also, with these additional features, with the secure feature. So today we are talking about the office of the future machines. So these are the future machines. We have a technology which is called the page weight technology. New technology in HP, where you can get a very low cost printing cost, maintenance free machines. It does not have traditionally no fuser in it, no drum in it, no developer in it, no toner in it. So you will be surprised to know how we can print. So it is a page weight is a patent of HP technology, where there is only a ink cartridge and no drum required, and it prints with the fuser, which is a blower which dries the print. The speed of the machine is around 40, 50, 60 ppm machines, color machines, and the warranty is for 5 years, and you need to only install a cartridge in it. No drum is required, no developer unit is required, only the ink cartridge is required. And it prints around 40 ppm to 70 ppm, 90 ppm per minute speed. This machine is very robust and paperless jam. It does not have fuser in it. The machine print comes like that and prints like that. So it can print color as well as black, both at a very low cost. Around, you can say the mono will be around 20 paisa per cost, and color will be around you can say 60, 70 to 80 paisa only in this. It is better for office purpose, and it is the future of the office. Thank you very much.
तो ये थी HP की 2 नई मशीनें, या हम कह सकते हैं फ्यूचर मशीन्स। तो सर ने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया कि मशीन की प्रिंट पर मिनट क्या है, कॉस्ट क्या है, क्या क्या नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ आई हैं। तो उम्मीद है आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन पसंद आई होगी। ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए आप कमेंट में हमसे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, हम बिल्कुल जवाब देंगे। थैंक यू।